I think the way we're more strategic in this moment is through a worldview change. I think most of our philanthropic activity is still organized out of a worldview in which we think that we have Jewish problems that we have to solve for ourselves in isolation. It comes reasonably out of a history of hundreds, if not thousands of years of us living in segregated Jewish ghettos in countries where the federal government, the king, the monarch, didn't always look out for us. That's changed. And it's time in this moment where we see an economic crisis across the world, we see a political opportunity with the new president, that we're not simply a small threatened Jewish community. We are a proud, strong, and involved Jewish community that's part of American life. And if we make the worldview leap, that we don't just have to protect and defend, but we can innovate, solve problems, and be part of the broader fabric of American life, then we have an opportunity to deploy our philanthropy in a way that can leverage public funds, other communal funds, and we can join with others to solve our problems. Because if we try to tackle the problems when we have 20 or 30% less as our isolated problems, that our elderly aren't cared for, or our young people can't get jobs with health insurance, or the air we breathe and the water we drink is contaminated, and we view those as Jewish elderly, Jewish healthcare, and Jewish environmental problems, we'll fail to have the resources, now more than ever, to solve them. But if we understand that those are problems we have in common with all Americans, really with all the citizens of the planet, and that we have something to contribute to their solutions as philanthropists, as innovators, as business people, as entrepreneurs, as communal leaders, and that other communities have something to bring to it as well. And that out of each of our unique value systems, experiences, and cultures, out of our different unique traditions, there are universal commitments and values and priorities that we can forge. Together we can solve the pressing problems almost without regard for the fact that we're down 20 or 30%. The truth is, it's an abundance mentality. It's one that says the Jewish community is here, we're part of what makes America great, we've demanded space in the town square of American life, we've gotten it, and now we're going to participate with other Americans in solving the issues that we all face. And together we'll tackle the economic crisis, we'll tackle the political opportunities, and we'll do something truly transformational for our community and for the country, for our children and for their children as well.